Hello everyone. In my last video, I showed you the Apothecary demo using Guepard dashboard. Lots of clicking around to branch databases, create Snapchat, test promotions. What if you're a terminal person? What if you want to script this stuff? Today, we're going to do the exact same scenarios. Same project, same for cases, but entirely for the command line. Let's see what this looks like. So, instead of clicking around the dashboard, we're using the list command to see everything. Just Guepard list shows your deployments. Want to see branches? Add branches. Want to see your commit history with a nice visual graph? Add commit -- graph. That -x flag, that's just telling it which deployment we're working with. Simple. Okay, now hear me out. Remember the lunar breast promotion? 15% of ingredients, we had to test it safely without messing with promotion. In the dashboard, we click create branch, give it a name, click checkout. As simple as that. Here's the CLI version. One command, Guepard branch, with the S flag to specify which snapshot to branch from, then the branch name. Done. Now, we see the promotion data and boom, discounts appear. Just like before, same safety, way faster if you're comfortable with the terminal. Right, it's disaster scenario time. Remember when we accidentally multiplied all the prices by 10? Well, that was a nightmare. In the dashboard, we created commit beforehand. Then, when everything went sideways, we clicked our way back to that snapshot. Now, Guepard commit with M for message, X for deployment ID, and B for the branch ID creates your snapshot. Then, we run the cursed batch script and watch the prices explode. Now, here's the magic. Guepard list commits shows us all our snapshots with their names. Grab that snapshot ID, use Guepard branch to create a recovery branch for it, and database restored. 10 seconds. It's time for the third scenario. The classic, which discount works better question. 20% off or 25% off? In the dashboard, we made it 2 branches and switched between them. Terminal version works the same way, but just slightly faster. First, grab the snapshot ID from your commits. Then, Guepard branch with -s creates our first strategy branch from that snapshot. Seed the data commit with -m and -b flags. Then, create the second branch from the same snapshot for the 25% strategy. Now, we've got 2 parallel universes running. Same starting point, but different strategies. You can switch between branches or just query the data to compare results. Pick the winner, keep that branch, ditch the loser. Last one, adding the custom reviews feature. This is a schema change, so it's a bit more involved, but still safe. In the dashboard, we create the reviews branch and post the schema changes in there. Same deal here in the terminal. Guepard branch creates a feature branch and switches to it. Then we swap the Prisma file to the one with the review model, run Prisma generate and db push to apply the migration. But only in this branch. Seed some fake reviews from fantasy characters and we're testing the futures in complete isolation. When we're done, Guepard checkout May takes us back to the base branch. Poof, reviews are gone. Schema change, tested safely, 0 risk to production. That's the power of branching. And there you have it. All 4 scenarios from dashboard video, but we never left the terminal. Branch for testing stuff, commit when you want to snapshot, check out switch context, and recover disasters. Want to try this yourself? Grab the Guepard CLI from our GitHub, run Guepard login to authenticate, and you're good to go. Everything we just did, from branching to snapshots to migrations, you can now automate, script, throw in your deployment pipeline. The complete code for the project is on GitHub if you want to see the full setup as usual. And hey, if you want the visual, click through version, check out the dashboard video in the description. Thanks for watching.